think I know a little bit of history, and considering it, I think there were a lot of different influences, right? Like Spain, and I'm not sure, but
Yeah,
well,
also France, of course, France
yeah.
was dominating. We still speak French, and we have most of the documents. We have them in France or Arabic.
So is it
And
the second official language?
yes,
Okay, that means that you learn Moroccan and French at school, right?
we actually, the Moroccan dialect, we don't study it. We just speak it,
Ah, okay.
and we study French and Arabic, and afterwards, like, the first two languages that we study in school is French and Arabic. Even there's some places or some schools that don't even teach Arabic at the beginning. They start by French. And also for the studies, like in public universities, like the after high school, most of whatever you're gonna study, for example, you're gonna study mathematics or scientific things or economy, whatever you're gonna study it in French language.
Wow.
But only some few subjects that you can study in Arabic, like uh, for example, history and and um, and Arabic. And also the law. You can study law in Arabic or French. You have the
Do you mean
choice.
law?
I mean laws. Like
Law, like the
yeah,
rules of the country.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that sounds so cool.
Yeah, and for the Amazigh language, it started being taught just recently. So I mean, taught in like middle school. They started by high school. Then they started again. They started teaching it also in middle school, and now they even started it in some places, some regions, from a primary school, but
Cool.
not the whole Morocco. Mostly in the places that are already that has a lot of Amazigh population.
Yeah, but that's a progress. So
Yeah, yeah, of
that's
course.
pretty cool.
Yeah, and sometimes you can find like the, for example, a building that is for some administration stuff. You gotta find that it is written, the title gonna be written in French and Arabic and also in Amazigh.
Okay, so that's pretty cool. So it seems like your government actually kind of stands up for it.
Yeah, because there's a lot of like Amazigh activists that are
Cool.
voicing that.
That's cool. So, well, hi to the others. Hi, Ursula. Hi, Anindita and Jovelyn. I hope I pronounced your names right.
Hi everyone.
And hi to the host, of course.
There's a friend of mine who got scholarships to go study in Morocco, and I think she does computer science or something like that. I think, and the first time that she has an exam, I mean subject, which have the questions. Um, said that it was written in Arabic at the university.
What year was that?
I think first year. Yeah.
I mean, is it 2020 what or?
I think the last year, 2025.
And what was the subject exactly?
Computer science. I don't remember the the city where she was, but
Oh yeah, computer science. I'm not sure because when I said scientific subjects, I mostly talked about like mathematics, physics, or um, like the subjects that are seen as important by the I don't know by the society, like because we have that kind of these subjects are seen as more important than the other ones. I don't know if this is a universal thing, but we mostly uh, praise people that pursue these kind of things than people who do other things, especially in public universities. Like in public universities, if you're doing something that is related just to literature, like a language, literature, or something like that, you are seen like less smart, or what you're doing is not something to be like praised. But the scientific subjects like mathematics and physics and like SVT, SVT. You know what is SVT in English?
It's
Like
chemistry, I think, maybe.
no, not chemistry. SVT like
Yes, it's
for
the science of I don't know. I just forgot. Uh,
life and and Earth.
this
I
the
don't know.
science. Yes, of Earth. Maybe. I'm not sure if they call it like that, but this is the meaning. So yeah, so for these, I'm sure that they are taught in French, but computer science, I don't even like hear about it a lot.
Really, there's two
Like
of
if you are talking about public universities, like not
yeah, it was the public university. Like they have scholarships from my country to Morocco. But I
they
think
may be doing that because I don't even hear that there's a lot of people doing that. Like I never came across someone who's doing that in the public university. But wait, are you talking about like a Moroccan school or the faculty?
I think it's the faculty. Like it, yeah, it has the university, and I think it's the faculty.
Yeah,
Of,
so because I know I hear about computer science in schools, like um schools, for example, um, l'ENSA. There is l'ENSA, École Nationale Sciences. Sciences what? I mean, what
yes,
is
yes.
it?
Can you just like I don't know? I just get confused about the topic. Can you just clarify more? What are you
Like we're
talking about
talking about.
actually?
We were saying that most of the studies that we are doing at Morocco, like after high school, are
Yes,
mostly in French.
yes. That's true. Actually, true.
Yeah, and she said that one of her friends
Uh
came
huh.
to Morocco and she's studying computer science, but she's studying it in Arabic.
not
Arabic? I don't think so. Maybe there is. I have some friends that's some friends that study it in English actually, but there is no Arabic in computer science especially. You cannot like study it in Arabic.
yes,
Yeah, that's what I said.
not the whole subject, I think, but she got an exam. She had an exam,
Yes.
and the questions was in Arabic.
I don't think so. I don't know, especially if we're talking about universities. I don't think we have an Arabic faculty or some field that study science, computer science in Arabic, because we have a lot of foreign students that came from foreign countries. So we it's compulsory to study to how can I say it, to engage French and English to the field for to be to like for the other foreign students to understand the field, you know. So we cannot do that. I don't know.